How to enable or disable TikTok activity status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable your activity status on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as privacy. And now here, under the privacy, there you can see the option labeled as activity status. So here you can simply toggle it on to show you when you are active. And here, if you like, you can simply toggle it off to hide your activity status from others. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable your TikTok activity status. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.